So good afternoon, students. So today we are going to learn about the what is musical sound. Okay. So let's start the today's lecture. So generally you can classify the sound into two categories. One is your noise and another one is your music. Okay. So what is noise? Noise means the sound that produces the displeasing effect or irritating effect or harsh effect on your ear. Okay, the sound you hear using ear, if it is irritating, then that sound is known as the noise. Okay, and if the sound that produces a pleasing effect or pleasing sensation to the human ear, if any sound of particular intensity and frequency that produces a very pleasing effect or a very good sensation to the human ear, then that sound is your musical sound. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to learn about the some of the properties of a musical sound. So this musical sound, so we have to study the characteristic of a musical sound. Okay, so what are the three main characteristic of the musical sound? First one is your loudness, second is your pitch or you can tone, and third is your quality. Okay, so loudness is the amount of sound that is passing per unit area in 1 second. So that means the sound that passes through particular area per unit time, or that is sound energy crossing per unit area per unit time means that is in 1 second. So it is related to the intensity of the sound. So generally what is loudness? Loudness means that the sound that appears having very high intensity sound, or sometimes what it depends upon the person to person. Some person will feel that some sound is loud for that person, or and another person may feel that it is not loud for that person. So it depends upon the human perception also. So the main, that is the loudness is a characteristic of a intensity of the sound. And if yes is your loudness, it is related to the intensity, that is a k is a constant natural log of intensity, so s is equals to k log I. This is the expression for your loudness. So s is the sensation of the loudness, I is the intensity of the sound. Okay, and k is your constant. If you take a proportional sign, then is sound loudness is proportional to the log of intensity. And this loudness is depend upon the parameters, that is amplitude. If the amplitude sound is a particular wave, okay, so if you draw this in the, so sound is a wave, that is your longitudinal wave, and longitudinal wave consists of compression and rarefaction, and distance between compression to compression or rarefaction to rarefaction, that gives you the amplitude. Okay, so if the amplitude of sound wave is maximum, the loudness will be maximum. If the amplitude of sound wave is less, then then loudness is also less. So you can say that loudness is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. Okay, so that is important. Second is the surface area. So loudness is directly proportional to the surface area of the sounding body. Means the loudness is depend upon the body which generates the sound, its area. If the area of the that surface is more, if you see that if in one particular if you see the tabla, then if the area is big, then it will produce big sound. Or if you see the drum, small drum will produce low loudness sound, while if the drum has more surface area, it will produce more loud sound. So that is the loudness is depends upon the surface area also, as well as the loudness is depend upon the distance between source and listener. If the sound generating source and listener both are close to each other, then the loudness will be appears to be large. Okay, generally if you near the person who is speaking with you, so if you very close to that person, you will feel the sound will be loud, and if you at the very large distance, then you will feel the loudness will be less. So that loudness is depend upon the distance between source and listener also. Then loudness is also depend upon the density of the medium. So what happens when the density of the air is large? Generally it is large at the morning because there is a some water droplets or humidity is there in the morning. So at that time the sound appears to be of large loudness, okay, or large intensity, while in the afternoon the water vapors are evaporated and the density of the air will decrease, and at that time the loudness of the sound will be less. So similarly, this loudness is depend upon the density of the medium. If it is high dense, loudness will be large. If it is low dense medium, then loudness will be low also. Similarly, it depends upon the motion of the air. So loudness is also affected by the motion of the air. If the listener and motion of the air both are in the same direction, then loudness will be large. If it is opposite, then it will be less. So these are the parameters on which the loudness is depend. First is your amplitude, okay. Second is first, which is the first parameter, amplitude. Second is your surface area. Third is your distance between source and listener. Fourth is the density of the medium, and fifth is your motion of the air. So these are the your uh, parameters to for the which affects the loudness, okay. Amplitude, surface area, distance between source and listener, density of the medium, and motion of the air. So this is about your loudness. Now sound is also characterized by the pitch, okay. Pitch means what? Pitch means it is the sound of particular frequency, okay, or it is not a single frequency. Actually sound generates not one particular frequency. It is a if it is fundamental frequency, then we will call it as a fundamental tone. If it is two times of fundamental frequency, three times of fundamental frequency, so that is if the sound generated is, if this is your fundamental tone, then its frequency is n. And if it generates the frequency twice n, okay, if it is generate the frequency three times of fundamental frequency thrice n, these are known as the harmonics, okay. अगर कोई भी फ्रीक्वेंसी n मल्टीप्लाई बाय फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं अपन, हार्मोनिक्स, okay. So what here if the sound is, if small n is your fundamental frequency and the next sound generated are twice of fundamental frequency thrice, so these are known as the overtones, or you can, it is called as a harmonics. So pitch means the sound of particular frequency, and what is, so pitch is referred as a tone frequency, okay. So general, if you see that the sound produced by the ladies, okay, if sound produced by the ladies is appears to be of high frequency, okay, and while that of the sound produced by the male person, that sound has the low pitch. So female sound has a very high pitch, and male sound has a low pitch, okay. So see, this is the pitch. Pitch means a sound which has well defined frequency, or it is a sound related to the tone. Tone means it is a particular frequency sound, and it is generalized by overtone and harmonics, okay. So this is about the pitch. It consists of high pitch sound, low pitch sound, okay. So next is the quality, characteristic of musical sound is the quality. Quality of sound means the sound generated by the different instruments are of uh, different types, okay. So if you generate the sound produced by this tabla, okay, sound produced by this guitar, sound produced by all these harmoniums, if the sound generated by all these instruments, okay, this is your fluid. So if one particular frequency sound generated by the different instruments have the different quality, okay. So quality means the quality of a sound corresponding to the source. The source which generates the sound depend upon the source. Sound generated by the tabla, sound generated by the flute, and sound generated by the harmonium. you can easily classify. You can say that this is the sound produced by the tabla, or you can say that this is the sound produced by the harmonium, or this sound is produced by the fluid. ठीक है, ओके, समझ में आ गया? मतलब क्वालिटी जो साउंड जनरेट करना है वो साउंड का डिवाइस कौन सा है। अगर वो फ्लूएट है तो अपने को इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं अपन, तबला है तो उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, हारमोनियम है तो उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं। सो दैट इज नोन एज द क्वालिटी ऑफ, और उसको बोलते हैं अपन टिम्बर। सो क्वालिटी ऑफ द साउंड करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द वेव जनरेटेड बाय दैट सोर्स। सो इसमें क्या है, आपको कैरेक्टरिस्टिक अगर म्यूजिकल साउंड का समझना है तो उसके तीन मेन पैरामीटर्स है। कौन कौन से? पहला है लाउडनेस, दूसरा है पिच, तीसरा है क्वालिटी। लाउडनेस यानी क्या है? इट इज करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द इंटेंसिटी, वो इंटेंसिटी के करस्पॉन्डिंग में है। पिच यानी क्या होता है? साउंड ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी। वो कौन से फ्रीक्वेंसी है? फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी है, टू टाइम्स ऑफ फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी है, थ्री टाइम्स है, so it generates the overtone and harmonics. So pitch is generally referred to the tone frequency, and quality of sound to तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया। It depends upon the sound generated by that particular source. So these are the main characteristic of the musical sound. It depends upon loudness, pitch or tone of the sound, or quality of the music produced by that instrument. So next is the musical scale. Generally, our Indian musical old Indian musical system are your diatonic musical system. Diatonic musical system यानी क्या? तो सा रे ग म प ध नि सा, ये जो आपके सुर है, ठीक है, इसको अपन डायटोनिक म्यूजिकल सिस्टम में कंसिडर करते हैं। मतलब पहला सा है सा रे ग म प ध नि सा. So total there are 8 tones and 7 intervals are there. Hence this musical scale has 8 tones and 7 intervals. This musical system is your diatonic musical system. And but what happens, this musical system do not have the same intervals. मतलब पहले टोन और दूसरे टोन में का जो रेशो लेंगे अपन उसको इंटरवल बोलते हैं अपन, वो रेशो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आता है हर एक इसमें। So this have certain limitations while this playing this musical sound or generating this music. So what happens, the we have to tempered it, मतलब उसमें से फिर अपने को उसको उसको थोड़ा सा चेंज करके इक्वल इंटरवल में कन्वर्ट करके उसके अंदर अपने को और एक्स्ट्रा टोन्स इंसर्ट करने हैं। जैसे 8 टोन्स है तो इसमें फिर अपन ने 4 एक्स्ट्रा डाल दिए, तो ये हो गया 12 टोन, और हर एक का इंटरवल सेम रहा तो उसको बोलते हैं इक्वल टेम्पर्ड स्केल। सो इसको टेम्पर्ड करके डायटोनिक म्यूजिकल स्केल को टेम्पर्ड करके अपन ने दूसरा म्यूजिकल सिस्टम जो वेस्टर्न म्यूजिकल सिस्टम बोलते हैं अपन, वो बनाया अपन ने। सो दैट इज योर temperament musical scale. So musical scale are two type: diatonic musical scale and temperament musical scale. Diatonic musical scale means this musical scale are our original Indian musical system is a diatonic musical system. So it consists of 8 tones, that is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. These 8 tones are a diatonic musical system and it consists of 7 intervals. मतलब सभी टोन के बीच में का जो रेशो लेते हैं अपन उसको 7 इंटरवल है उसमें। और इसके कुछ ड्रॉबैक है, उसको रिमूव करने के लिए अपन ने फिर क्या बनाया, टेम्परमेंट म्यूजिकल स्केल। दिस इज द 12 टोन, मतलब इसमें 12 टोन है, सा साइलेंट है, उसमें एक दूसरे उसमें आ जाते हैं टोन्स। सो दैट इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ some silent tones are there, 4 silent tones are will be there. So that is the 12 tone equal tempered scale, और interval हर एक इसमें का सेम रहेगा, so that's why equal tempered scale. So this is your temperament musical scale. So there are some terms related to the your musical system. First is your chord. Okay, so what is mean by chord? When two or more notes sounded together, the combined note is produced, that is known as the chord. मतलब एक साथ अगर दो टोन्स अपन ने प्रोड्यूस किए तो वो जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होगा, और ये वो जो टोन प्रोड्यूस होगी कंबाइन इफेक्ट से, उसको बोलते हैं अपन कॉर्ड। अगर वो अब आपको प्लीजिंग इफेक्ट देता है तो उसको अपन कॉनकॉर्ड बोलते हैं, और अगर वो डिसप्लेसिंग हो जाता है तो उसको अपन डिस्कॉर्ड बोलते हैं। ठीक है, So what is chord? When two or more notes are sounded together, the combined note produced is known as the chord. So how these two tones are produced? If you produce the two tones at a one time, two or more notes are produced simultaneously. मतलब एक ही टाइम में अगर दो टोन्स प्रोड्यूस किए अपन ने, ठीक है, सो उसको बोलते हैं अपन हारमोनी. सो दैट इज नोन एज द हारमोनी. एंड इफ द टू नोट्स आर साउंडेड वन आफ्टर अनदर, मतलब एक टोन के बाद अगर दूसरा टोन प्रोड्यूस किया तो दैट इज नोन एज योर मेलोडी साउंड. ओके. सो अगर कोई हारमोनियम में अपन एक साथ दो बटन्स प्रेस करते हैं, मतलब टू टोन्स एक ही साथ प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं अपन हारमोनी. ओके. हारमोनियम में जैसे होता है. मेलोडी साउंड यानी क्या होता है? व्हेन वन टोन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड आफ्टर दैट अनदर टोन विल बी प्रोड्यूस, मतलब एक बटन दबाने के बाद उसके बाद में दूसरा बटन दबाते हो, जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है उसमें, दैट इज नोन एज योर मेलोडी. सो मेलोडी मीन्स व्हेन टू नोट्स are produced one after another, and if the two notes are produced at a one time, that is simultaneously, then it is known as the harmony. And what is interval? Interval means a particular tone sound has a particular frequency. Okay. So if you take sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, so first sa has suppose frequency 24 and last sa having the frequency 48. If you take the ratio of these two tones, it is of 2:1. सो दैट इज नोन एज द ऑक्टेव. मतलब जो भी टोन्स का अपन रेशो लेते हैं, दैट रेशो इज नोन एज द इंटरवल. उसको क्या बोलते हैं अपन? इंटरवल. इफ द म्यूजिकल इंटरवल, अगर दो टोन्स है दोनों का फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम है, तो उसको बोलते हैं अपन यूनिसन. दैट इज नोन एज द यूनिसन. if the frequency ratio is 2:1, then it is known as the octave. Okay. अगर दूसरा फ्रीक्वेंसी पहले वाले फ्रीक्वेंसी से डबल है, तो उसका रेशो अगर लेते हैं अपन, तो वो 2:1 आएगा, उसको बोलते हैं ऑक्टेव. अगर वो रेशो 9/8 है, इफ इट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी रेशो इज 9/8. ओके. आगे के इसमें अपना है तो 9/8 अगर उसका रेशो है, इफ द रेशो इज 9/8. Okay. Suppose if this intervals ratio is your 9/8, 9 as to 8, if it is the ratio is 9 divided by 8, then that ratio is known as your uh, major tone. And if the frequency ratio is 10 as to 9, 10 as to 9, then it is known as your minor tone. And this is, if the frequency ratio is 10 as to 9, then it is known as your minor tone. And if the frequency ratio is 16 as to 15, if the frequency ratio or the ratio or frequency interval is interval means it is the ratio. If the frequency ratio is 16 as to 15, then it is known as the semitone. So this will be appears in your diatonic when you going to study the diatonic musical system. So this is about your musical scale. So generally musical scale, first musical scale is your diatonic musical scale. It consists of 8 tones. That is important. This it 8 tones and how many intervals? 7 intervals. And it has certain limitations. So this limitation is removed by tempered musical scale. So it is equal tone, 12 tone. उसमें 12 सुर है, 12 टोन. एंड हर एक का इंटरवल कैसे रहेगा? सेम. सो दैट इज 12 टोन इक्वल टेम्पर्ड स्केल. So, and these are the terms related to the musical scale. Chord means if two sounds are produced, and if two sounds are produced simultaneously, then it is harmony. And if it is produced one after another, then it is melody. And the ratio of two tones is known as your interval. So this is about your parameters in a musical scale. So let's learn what is diatonic musical scale. So if the what is your general Indian musical system? That Indian musical system is your diatonic musical scale. It consists of 8 tones, that is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Okay. So these 8 tones are there. These are your Indian musical system. It is your diatonic musical scale. These are the tones. And if you take the first sa has a frequency 24, then second will have frequency 27. It has a 30. 32, ma has 32, pa has 36 frequency, dha has 40 frequency, ni has 45, and sa has 48. So you, in your mind, if there is a confusion that whether this will be only 24 or it is changed, it will be changed. But what happens if you take this first sa has a frequency, suppose 48. If first sa has a frequency 48, then last sa should have the frequency double of that sa, first sa. So if it is first sa has frequency 48, then last sa will have the frequency 96. Okay, so in this way, and the remaining frequency will be on that parameter. So if you take the interval means it is the ratio. So sat, there are actually eight tones are there. These are converted into seven intervals. So we'll say that there are सात, है ना, अपन सात सुर बोलते जिसको, तो उसमें एक्चुअली वो सेवन इंटरवल्स है, बट टोन्स वो जो है वो एट है. So if you take the ratio of first and second tone frequency, 27 by 24, it will be the ratio of 9 by 8. It is known as your major tone. Okay, major tone interval. Similar major tone interval you will get for this also if you uh, take the ratio of tone ma and ga. Sorry, pa and ma, sa re ga ma pa, ma and pa. Per has frequency 36 and this has the 32. So 36 by 32, so it will be 9 by 8. Similarly, if you take the ratio of lassa and ni, so it will be the 48 by 45. So this will be 16 by 15, means it is a semitone frequency. So in this way, the diatonic musical system having the eight tones, seven intervals, and it generates the major tone, minor tone, and semitone. So these three tones are depend upon the intervals of a frequency, tones of particular frequency. So new tones cannot be generated, or these eight tones are insufficient for the today's musical system. So what happens? We have to add the extra five tones in that Indian musical system, and it will be converted into Western musical system, and all intervals will be same. So that we are going to learn in the next lecture. That is tempered musical scale, or you can learn that tempered musical scale on yourself also. So this is about your diatonic musical scale. What is musical scale? What are the characteristic of the musical sound? So important is loudness, pitch, and quality of that sound. And what are the classification? What is musical sound and what is noise? So here we stop now. Uh, okay. Thank you.